Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys the hair care products that I'm currently using to take care of my hair. These are just some of the products that I have been loving. Just thought I would share this with you guys in case you are looking into incorporating any new items to your hair care routine. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into it. And just to start off, I'm gonna give you a little background on what I do with my hair and what I have done to my hair. So I do get it professionally dyed. I do go into the salon maybe every 3 to 6 months, just depending on how I feel my hair is doing. If I have a lot of growth, then I'll go in quicker than the 6 months, which is every 3 months. And the style that I get is called Makeupbyluzya. First of all, I don't wash my hair every single day just because I don't want to strip it of its natural oils. I do usually go maybe 3 to 4 days without washing my hair, just depending on how I feel my hair is doing. If I feel like it is really greasy but I can still maybe pull off a day or two, I will go in and add a dry shampoo to the roots of my hair just to revive them and refreshen them up a little bit. The dry shampoo that I'm currently using is this Not Your Mother's dry shampoo. And this one, I actually got it off of Walmart. I will go ahead and link everything down below with the prices and everything so that you can check it out in case you're wanting to get these products. How I use this product is I will apply it to my root area where I part my hair. So if I'm wearing it sideways like today, I will apply it right here in this area where it's parted. I will leave it on for maybe a minute or two, and then I will go in and just massage the product into my scalp just to go ahead and blend it in, because it does become super white when you apply it. So you just have to massage it in so that it can just disperse and just blend in with your hair color. That is what I use on those days. Now on the days where I do wash my hair, I have been currently loving these Redken Sulfate-Free shampoo and conditioner. And these, I have actually been using them for about 2 years now, the same time that I have dyeing my hair. I do get the jumbo size bottles off of Ulta, and let me tell you, this shampoo is a little bit pricey. I believe each of the bottles originally is about $40, but I do not pay that price whatsoever because I feel like it's just outrageously expensive. How I actually purchase these is I wait for Ulta's 21 days of beauty sale on hair care products. So Ulta has this sale. They usually have it every 6 months or so. I believe they just had it this past January, and they will have it again around June or July. So yeah, every 6 months they usually have this sale where they have all of these jumbo size bottles half off. So instead of getting them for $40 each, you'd be paying half off, so $20 per bottle. I always purchase it at their sale price because why not? You are getting a sale. $20 is a little up there, but it's still more doable than $40. So yeah, just an FYI, if you want to get this shampoo and conditioner, definitely wait around for when Ulta has that sale going on so that you can get it at a much decent price. Aside from the price, I love this shampoo. It has done so much good to my hair. I really feel like it has transformed it from when I used to have it before, when I was using just regular shampoo. And let me tell you why. The non-sulfate type of shampoos really get down and clean your hair, but it doesn't strip it of its natural oils. So now I have a lot more shine, a lot more manageability on my hair, and it just really has done great to my hair so far. So yeah, I definitely recommend you changing to a non-sulfate type of shampoo because of the benefits that you will gain in the long run. And you don't necessarily have to splurge on these. These are just the ones that I have been using for a while now, but I know there's a lot others that you can get like at Walmart. I know there's a L'Oreal brand that I used to use that was non-sulfate. I will go ahead and look for it, and I'll insert a picture right here so that you can go ahead and check those out if you don't want to splurge on these. Now in combination with this, because I do have some parts of my hair that are lighter and more on the ashy tone. What I do is I go in and apply also a purple shampoo. This one is from Joico and it's their purple shampoo. I also purchased it with the Redken ones when Ulta has their 50% off sale on these jumbo size products. Check out this also if you're in the search for a purple shampoo. This one I don't apply it every single time I wash my hair. I apply it every other time that I wash my hair. But yeah, I really like this as well. I have been using it for the same time that I have used the Redken ones, and I just feel like it's the perfect combination for me. Now, when I really feel like my hair has become dry or my split ends are getting out of control, I like to go in with a hair mask on my hair. When I have been using a lot of heat on it, I just really like to revive it by using this hair mask. And this hair mask, I purchased it from a recommendation of one of the YouTubers that I watch. I will leave her name of her channel here so you guys can check it out. I really enjoy watching her and just the products that she recommends. And this is per one of her recommendations. This is the Macadamia Deep Repair Hair Mask, and let me tell you, this is pretty much a miracle in a jar because you don't even have to wait days after your application to find out if it worked. You will find out if it's working for you that same day that you apply it, because when you wash this hair mask off, your hair literally is like silky smooth. It is that good. This is hands down the best hair mask that I have ever tried. I will never change from this. This has just done so much good to my hair. I go in and apply it, and the next day my hair is pretty much back to normal. It's silky smooth and just feels amazing. I found it in Burlington, but I never found it again, unfortunately. I know you can get a smaller size jar also at Burlington. You can also find it in Marshalls and TJ Maxx. Those are the stores where I have found it, because this is also a little bit on the pricier side, because the consistency of this mask is really thick. So yeah, if you have acrylics like me, that's probably not going to be such a good idea to just get it with your acrylics. And this is what it looks like inside, and it's just a really thick hair mask. I really like it, and it smells amazing as well. So your hair is going to be smelling really nice with this hair mask. So yes, this is the hair mask that I am currently using and that I probably will use for the rest of my life, just because I feel like you don't need anything else if you're using this hair mask. If you're really wanting to transform your hair without having to cut it because of split ends or just dryness on your ends, definitely check out this hair mask. You will feel like you will never need to cut your hair again. I usually use it about 2 times a week if I'm consistent, but if not, I'll probably use it once a week, and even like that, I still feel like it makes a big difference on it. What I usually do is I will wash my hair at night, I will apply my hair mask, and I will leave it overnight. The next day, if I am going to style my hair, then I will just rinse my hair from the hair mask and I will style it as usual. If not, I will wear the hair mask throughout the day as well. So you can wear it pretty much all the time, every day if you are able to. But if not, you can pretty much just wash it off overnight if you leave it on. That's how I use this hair mask. Now I'm gonna go into a product that I use for heat protection. So every time you style your hair with your hair dryer, your flat iron, or your curling iron, definitely ensure that you're adding something to your hair before using these tools so that you protect it from the heat that you're about to apply. And what I have been using for that is this hair polisher serum, and this has really just helped in maintaining my hair silky smooth and give it some type of protection from the heat. You're not going to protect it 100% from the heat. That is just not possible. In order to do that, you will just need to not apply any heat at all to your hair. And I really like this one because it leaves, like I said, my hair really shiny. It adds shine to my hair, but it doesn't make it greasy. This serum is more of like a water oil based consistency, if that makes sense. And it also smells really nice. So it will also give it a really nice scent to your hair. I usually apply this to the ends of my hair. I don't apply it to the top part. So what I'll do is with the left off that I have from rubbing it on the ends of my hair, I will just pass it through the top so that it can give a nice shine to my hair on top, and that's it. I won't add any additional product. Now I'm gonna jump into the tools that I currently use to style my hair. First of all, I have my flat iron, and this flat iron, I have been using it for about 7 years now, I think. This is a Remington flat iron that I bought from Walmart, and super inexpensive. This one is a digital one, so you can actually put up the volume or put it down, and it goes up to 450 on the heat. But to be honest, I never use it that high. I pretty much just use it at 400, 420 the max, and it does great for my hair. It'll straighten it in one pass, and I have curly hair and it'll pretty much straighten it out in a pass. So yeah, I definitely recommend this flat iron if you're looking for inexpensive option. Definitely try this one from Remington at Walmart. To curl my hair, I have recently purchased this Leange wand. I think this is the biggest size that they carry, and I think it's like a 32 barrel. I'm not quite sure the size of it, and I don't even think it has it here. No, it doesn't have it, but I'll look it up and I will go ahead and leave it in the description box. I really like using this wand because it really defines my curls, but it doesn't make them super tight. So this is more like of a loose wave kind of curl. So I really like using this for that reason, and it's really worked out nice for me. It doesn't have a setting for the heat, but it does heat up pretty well and really quickly, so you don't really have to wait that long after you turn it on so that you can start using it. So I really like that about this wand, and I do use it with the glove that it came with because you definitely need to make sure you're using it safely. And even like that right here, if you can tell, I have already burned myself, and I actually have another one right here. So yeah, even with that, you still need to be very careful when using the wands because they are a little bit more dangerous than using a regular curling iron. So definitely be safe when you handle a wand and make sure that you use your glove with it. And finally, what I use to dry my hair is this hair dryer from Conair. It's the Infiniti Pro hair dryer. And this one I actually also did some research, and I wanted to get a good hair dryer that was also gonna benefit my hair instead of damaging it more. Pretty much every hair dryer that I looked into was over $300, so I definitely did not want to splurge that much on a hair dryer. I try to compare like those really expensive hair dryers like the Dyson hair dryer to something that was a little bit more on my budget range. I came across this Conair online, and it had really good reviews, and it compared to those high-end hair dryers. I really like it. It doesn't give you an excessive amount of heat that your hair doesn't need, but it gives you the right amount to where it dries it quickly and efficiently. This one comes with 2 attachments. It comes with this one for when you're just drying your hair and you're going to flat iron it afterwards. This one works for that. If you're gonna flat iron your hair afterwards, definitely use this attachment. And it also comes with the attachment for curly hair, but that one I have misplaced it. I don't know where I left it. It just tells you how much I use that one, and it's just the one that's like a big circle and it has a lot of spikes on it. So yeah, it comes with both of those attachments. So yeah, these are the products and the tools that I currently use for my hair. I hope this video was helpful for you guys if you're looking into incorporating any new items. This is pretty much all that I have for you guys today. It was great hanging out with you. I hope you all are doing well. Be kind to one another and remember to stay scrumptious.